What did I just bring you? What's it called?
A mannequin.
You're absolutely right. Your first mannequin. Start them when they're young. Ooh. Yep, just like that. Now, this part right here tightens this so it don't move. So turn it. And that's going to stop this part. There you go. Keep turning. There you go. And see how now she's a little stiff neck? Hey. Yeah. Good job. Good girl. Good job. Gotta go. Make sure you go all the way to them ends. You gotta get them ends. Oh, there you go. Good girl. How does it feel? Is it soft?
Yeah.
Now you can practice twisting. Unlong. Wait, you're doing it? Oh, good girl, good girl. Good girl, good job detangling the ends. Woo, two-strand twist. Ooh, look at the game face. Nana makes a funny face too when she's concentrating when I do hair too. Ooh, good job. I'm so proud of you. And you know how to detangle the ends. Good girl, Jeff. Just keep going, keep going. Oh.
That's a ponytail.
One finger. Look. Yep. Then you're gonna look. Take your thumb, open it, and put your thumb in there. Without shoving in. There you go. Then you grab it. No, wait. Look, wait. You're going too fast. You're going too fast. You're acting just like the stylists. You're going too fast. Hold this side. Nope. Yep. Good girl. But look, it should be in your fingers. Perfect. Now hold the hair with this hand. There you go. Perfect. Now look, watch me. Yep. And then you're going to hold it. Now take your other finger back here. Look at me. Okay, you can do it that way. And look, and bring it over. Don't let go. Don't let go of the hair. That's why I want you to do it my way, because it's easier. So you want to do it my way? Okay, so let's go back. Take it off. Ooh. Go give me another. Oh, here it goes right here. You still have yours? All right, come on. All right, so you take your fingers. Good girl. Put the hair in between and hold it, your fingers, and hold it. Good girl. Now take this finger, bring it around to the back there, and grab the rubber band and pull it over. Look, so you pull the rubber band. There you go. Pull it over like that, and then nope, we messed up. Start over. Just went too fast. It's okay. You're gonna get it because you got the first part down pat. Grab the hair. Hold the hair. Finger. Back behind. Look. Watch me. In between the fingers, not up here. There you go. Now look. Watch. Pull it. Pull the hair through. Don't let go. Don't let go there. Don't let go. Don't let go. You let go. Hey, one more time. You almost there because you're getting it step by step. So start here. Grab the hair. Finger. Back around. Grab between your fingers. Yep. And pull the hair out. Look. Pull. But don't let go here. Don't let go here. Look how Nana's keeping her fingers pinched. Pull it through. Look. Wait. See that? All right, stay there, stay there. Don't go no further. Stay right there. Let Nana catch up. Okay, look. Good. Now, turn it. Nuh-uh. Look, gotta put a finger in there. Look at Nana. Gotta put a finger in there. Turn. And then turn it. Turn it. There you go. Now look. Put your thumb in there now. And do the same thing. Grab the hair. Grab the hair. Good girl. Finger. Back around between the fingers. Grab it. Look. Pull it through like you did the other way. Don't let go. Pull it through. Pull it. Keep pulling. Almost. Let go of the hair. We're going to start over. Come back to the beginning. You almost got it. Give me high five because you're almost there. Give me high five first. Okay. All right. Between the fingers, grab your twist. Put it between all your fingers. Take your other finger behind. Look. Go. Nope. You gotta go behind with one finger. One finger should be coming. Look. She's gotta figure it out. Nope. You went under. Look, you're acting like a stylist. You're trying to figure it out on your own instead of watching and doing what I do, okay? Look, take this finger. You can do this. There you go. You're going to go back behind. There you go. Open your fingers just a little bit. You don't have to nail like I did. But you got to get it behind. Like that. Stay there. Stay right. Stay there. Don't do nothing. Freeze. Don't do nothing else. Now I want you to put this finger in there too. You're like this. I want you to take that. Good. Now pull the hair through. You see that? Just pull it through. Don't let go though. Pull it. Good girl. Pull it through. Ah, you did it. Don't wait. Turn. Twist. Now we're gotta do the same thing. Twist it. It has to twist. Twist. Oh, that's okay. Pull it. Twist it. There you go. Now, put your thumb in there. Look. Good girl. Now grab the hair again. Just right here. Grab it again. In between your fingers. Grab it. Like we did on the other side. Look. Watch me do it. Watch me do it first. Grab the hair. Go back behind. Grab the rubber band. Then you insert your middle finger. Pull it through. Then you twist it. Then you put your thumb in. Grab the hair. Then we're going to start over and do the same thing. Twist it. You gotta twist it first. There you go. Now grab the hair. Twist it under. So start over. Now see, there's a specific way you gotta go. You gotta twist under. Let's start over. You gotta start over. There you go. Okay, she's ready. Twist. Look, we're right here. Just two. Look, you're like this. Look, you're like this. I want you to do this. No, look. Bring it away from the hair. You see how? There you go. Turn. You're like this. There you go. Turn. Good girl. Now put your thumb in over. There you go. Now grab that piece through here. Now grab. No, I said just grab it. Look, you tried. Look, you tried to stick it through. I said just grab it. Just grab. There you go. Wait. You did it. Wait, you're going too fast. You got it. You got to pull it back through and keep doing the same thing over and over again. Hold on, that's all right. We're going to start over. So now we got high five. You got even faster. You're about to figure this out. That's all right. We can take a break. We got to start from the ends. You never do that either. You got to start from the ends. You're going to tangle it up doing it your way. This way, you'll never tangle it. And sometimes there you go, good girl. And then keep working your way up. And then now and do it here. Now and do it here. Here you go. There, you see how better it's coming undone? Now do it here. The way you was about to do it, you was gonna have it knotted right there. Good girl. Okay, wait. And then always can take it. Yes, start from the ends though. You have to always start from the ends. If you start way up here, let me help you. It's so much worse, baby. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, you gotta be careful with this one. Okay, you can't be treating this client like you be treating that other one you got. Okay. Yeah, I'm serious. You gotta be careful.
But her.
Along the course of my career, I've set out to find a different way. I've looked at things like, why does our hair grow so slow? Why do we have these flakes? Why does our scalp itch? And with all of that, I have found a new approach that is really making a difference and allowing us to experience a different type of hair care for your hair. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've already mastered my approach from behind the chair, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to offer you an amazing opportunity to not only maximize your earning potential, but also increase your clientele base by learning how to administer a holistic scalp detox from behind your chair. Let me tell you why you want to take this training. Not only does holistic scalp detoxing provide an amazing massage to the client that not only increases blood flow to the surface, but we all know that this is the catalyst to hair growth, but you're also going to kill two birds with one stone by lifting any dandruff, aka psoriasis, that may be on the surface. This is going to minimize your client's hair loss, which is a win-win for everyone involved. For 2 hours of your time, you're going to learn a holistic scalp detox, which is not only going to help you know and understand what it is, but it also is going to help you to understand why it builds and what to do to minimize it and manage it. So I encourage you to register today.